Class 4. Today we're going to start talking about lighting, and we're going to finally get into the coloring book. So you're going to need a couple things. One, you're going to need a roll of painter's tape. And this is important, and don't skip this. Every new person and beginner should be using this. Even some intermediate people should be using it. What you're going to do is take the tape, okay? Put it on your pants once or twice, just so that it's not as sticky. And you're going to choose where your light is coming from. If it's an inside scene, and it would be coming from a light bulb. There's many different types of light. Right now, we're only talking about overlight or light that's coming from overhead. You could pick anywhere on the page. Put your piece of tape over the area where you want that light to be coming from. Because now you have a direct line to everywhere that you need to put your center lights. Now notice that I didn't say highlight. Actually, the word highlight is wrong. Everybody uses the wrong word because everybody copies each other. And anybody with a camera could pick up and do coloring book lessons, do a color lesson. It doesn't mean what they're telling you is correct when it comes to art. What you need to do is learn the word center light. And what is that? The center light is the light that is at the highest point closest to the light source. So here I have the sun. On these leaves, okay, well, let's get out of green. On these leaves, let's pick out the center light for all these greens. Every object is going to have the center light someplace different. Because if you notice, the center light will be over in this direction. The center light is going to be in this direction. The center light will be, for this book, will be here. So everything is going to have a different center light. So if the light is coming from here, the highest point of where that light is coming from is going to be right here. You're going to take your pencil and you're going to do a lay down that's very smooth. You do not have to worry about blending. You don't have to worry about multiple colors. One pencil, one object. All we're concentrating on now is center light and a smooth lay down. So I'm going to use this leaf. I'm going to take it. I've decided my center light is going to be right here. That's not a highlight, my center light. And I'm going to color very lightly around that area that is my center light. Okay? And again, where is my highest point of light? It would be around here. And I'm going to leave that blank. As a new colorist, this is what your picture is supposed to look like. Now look at this. Where is my center light on here? It would be right here. I'm going to color this leaf very lightly. Remember the stroke that I showed you in the last video? The square. Where's my hand? The back of the pencil. I'm not worrying about my lights, my darks. I don't care. I only care about the one, and that's my center light. I'm going to leave that white. I'm going to move on to this one. Where is my center light? It would be around here. Okay, now there are reasons that it's not at the top, and we'll get into that later when we get into shading and forming three-dimensional objects. I'm just going to leave that area right there and just color in, and have a good time, leaving that area blank. What I'm going to do for the entire picture. This is all a new person is responsible for. This is all you should be doing. Find your center light, which would be right around here. And I'm doing a light first layer. My center light would be around here. I'm doing a light first layer. Right here. You have to think to yourself, where would that light strike first? Going here, it would be right around here. And then I just want you to have fun with your picture. Make your colors, choose anything you want. If you want to make your leaves purple, make your leaves purple. But every object on that page should have some sort of center light. I'm leaving my center light right here. Now, I promise, we'll do hair. We'll make it look realistic later on down the line. We're only on lesson 4. Baby steps. Okay, on hair, you're going to be having a lot more of those center lights, but just for now. Now, down here, each one of these little bumps, I could consider a different object. So each one of these would have a center light. And the rest would be colored in. Okay? And just have fun with it. Find your center light, your direction of your light source, put it, and have a good time. And I will see you in lesson 5.